How to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will cover of can you actually disable or remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp. So let's clear the confusion. First of all, what is Meta AI on WhatsApp? So it's a new AI chatbot added by Meta in the search bar on WhatsApp, designed to answer questions and give you info instantly. So the question is, can you remove it? Right now, there is no any official method like you can fully remove or turn it off. Even you can delete chats, conversation, but the Meta AI option still appears in the search. You can easily access in the search bar for searching Meta AI at the top, and from there you can simply start new conversation with Meta AI. So you can turn it off. Simply you can just ignore or avoid interaction. Don't open or tap on the Meta AI search bar. It doesn't respond auto unless you engage. So simply you can follow this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.